And guys, the porridge finished, so I just dish out this portion. So this is what I'm gonna have for my lunch. So guys, I'll be making plantain porridge. So just peeling the plantains.
You know me that one that you hear me? If me could have sent me neighbor for something for you, because I think me want to use them early morning.
So guys, I'm gonna just slice them up, put them on the pot cover, then I put them in the blender. Alright, so I'm just gonna put them inside the blender.
Oh, yes, I did, yeah.
I'm gonna put in the water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it, and then I'll come back. So pour it in the container, pour the rest of plantain in the blender. I'm gonna blend it and come back. So I'm stirring the porridge. Guys, how they put salt in. See guys, this is getting really thick. I'm just gonna put the onion on. No, look at mommy. I'm gonna leave that to stay and simmer. So guys, I'm gonna use vanilla Alaska. So that's what I'm gonna be using. Just wait a minute. gonna eat the rest of the Lasco. Let me just pour the rest. So finish mixing it out, so I'm gonna take it to the pots. So guys, I just put the milk inside. I'm gonna stir it out. So look at my plantain porridge, guys. Everything left to go in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sugar in. I'm just putting the sugar and the vanilla. So I'm just gonna mix out everything. And guys, the porridge finished, so I just dish out this portion. So this is what I'm gonna have for my lunch. Yes guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video out, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye y'all.
You decide if you're ever gonna